Most people know sound quality is important, but they still tend to focus more on HD videos. Technically, YouTube is all about video, but don't overlook the importance of sound. I think audio quality can be a little more important than video quality, because when the audio is clear, people don't have to work to understand the video and the message. Then you need to have a good microphone which allows you create a high quality audio for your YouTube videos. There are two kinds of microphones, condenser and dynamic microphones. Condenser microphones are very sensitive. You can record the noise of the street and the people around you, and it is not good for a noisy place. They are more expensive due to the quantity of electronic parts. You should use it if your voice is soft and you have a quiet place to record. They are ideal for recording sounds such as drums and guitars. On the other hand, dynamic microphones can provide excellent sound quality and performance. They are very cheap compared to condenser mics. If you live in a noisy area, this microphone is excellent for you. It only takes noise from the front. It is very used by singers and journalists. Then I'm going to show you the best condenser and dynamic mics. This is the best condenser mic. It is a little expensive, around $130. You can capture the noise of every place, from the front, from the back, from every side. If you have a noisy area, I don't recommend this microphone. The other one is the Blue Snowball Ice. It has the same features that the other microphone, but it is cheaper. If you are on a budget, you can buy this microphone. But remember that this is a condenser mic. Then you record the noise of all the areas, and if you live in a noisy area, you can record all of this noise. The next are the dynamic mics. This is the Audio-Technica ATR2100 USB. It is not very expensive. If you live in a noisy area, this microphone is special for you because it only takes the noise of the front. Then you can filter the noise of the street or other people easily. The other is the Audio-Technica AT2005. This one and this one are the same microphones. It is a little older, but it has the same price and the same quality. But if you want high quality audio, I recommend the iRig HD. It is the microphone of Apple. It only works with Apple products, but if you have an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac, it is very useful for you. It is a little more expensive, but you can find high quality audio with this microphone. But if you are looking for lavalier microphones, I recommend the Audio-Technica ATR3050. It is very useful and has high quality. It is very cheap, $30. After buying your microphone, you have to buy a pop filter, because if you have a high quality microphone but you don't buy this pop filter, you can record bad noises with your microphone. Then those are the mics I recommend for your YouTube videos.